Oh, so you were still telling me yes.
Yeah. Okay, Bonga lo. Bonga.
Oh, yeah.
As I've emphasized verbally and orally, I tend to intermigrate and interperambulate vicinities in
Yes.
close proximity.
Yeah.
Yeah, shaping a social character. Yeah, engaging with as vast and as diverse native and ethnic masses as possible.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were telling me, manje, ukuthi, since the morning you haven't had anything eatable.
Edible,
You're still,
Yeah.
you're still
Yeah,
experiencing the science behind
oh, bengithi like in common logic, if usayikhumbula physics of the human anatomy esikolweni,
Yes.
calcium vital for cardiovascular well-being. Calcium in common logic is
Yes.
Yeah, my princess.
Oh my God. My prince. So I'm your prince.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we'll talk about Bonga Sithole, who called himself Bonga. Guys, Bonga was in a journey of finding himself again after kuhlala estradini for the longest time. Sisanda Kwabe okuyena who sent him a rehab, shared indaba ezimbi today ukuthi uBonga discharged himself a rehab without even notifying her. She is so heartbroken guys about what Bonga did. She invested a lot of her time and money to him, hoping that he will come back from a rehab as a better person. Ubonga guys, abantu abaningi feels ukuthi he's still or it's still very difficult for him to adjust to normal life. He needs a very patient person ongazomphelela inhliziyo. Sisanda requested Mzansi to continue pray for Ubonga to come back and continue with the rehab. Please guys, check the following video and do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.
I've just been waking up now. It's almost midnight here in Indonesia. I don't have good news. I do not have good news. Bonga discharged himself from the rehab, citing he has to follow his spiritual calling, and of course he was going with another patient, alleged white guy, that they together believe they need to follow their spiritual journey. So he did not communicate with me about his decision. I'm just hoping it's for the best. I'm hurt a lot, because there's a lot at stake. Bonga has a lot for him. There's a lot going on for him. He has a job waiting for him, not one job, 2 jobs waiting for him. That was planned for January when he comes back from rehab, and yeah, I'm broken. Because I know there's a whole lot for him, but I just hope wherever he is, he's okay. If you guys happen to see him, just encourage him. I know it's a very tough journey. It's not an easy journey. I was just sure he will not give up, but obviously I'm trying to be strong, I know that guy has a lot. That guy is God has given him a lot, and I don't know what is going on in his head right now. I don't know where he is, and I feel so hopeless, and especially not being in the country, it makes it even harder for me to try and navigate my way around. So it's really hard. But I haven't given up on him. I know that he's gonna pull through. Yeah, please pray for him, pray with him, and I'm weak, so weak. I believed so much in Bonga. I trusted him a lot. I knew he was going to do something for himself. I'm sad for my boys. Because every day they'll be asking me, Mama, when is Malume Bonga coming back? I wanted him to be a leader, and I know that leadership is in there, is in him. Anyway, I'm gonna try and sleep, and I'll try and follow up tomorrow and see if there is something that I get. But guys, if you see him, just know him, just let him know that we haven't given up on him. We want him to be okay, and we will support whatever decision that he takes, if it takes him to continue to better himself. I know there's a lot of substance in his body that has been there for 15 years, so it's nothing that you can take out in 1 week, of course, and that's why he needed at least 6 weeks to be at the rehab. So I know he still have that to fight, and we're gonna be here to fight along with him. Pray for him, guys.